Welcome to Tuesday's Bag, a podlet for answers to questions of women business owners. Hi, I am back and I'm going to answer another question. And it is, do I keep my tax documents longer than 1 year? So there is a publication that the IRS has created. It's publication 583, I'm almost sure. And it's called Starting a Business and Keeping Records. And there you can find the information that you need in terms of how long you need to keep documents in general. It talks about what records you need to keep and the standard for how long. Typically is going to go from 3 years to unlimited amount of time, right? So it really just depends on what the document is. Now, for your tax documents, you always keep those. You keep those until eternity, basically. Maybe you could start purging them after year 20 or something like that. But in terms of the documents and the records that you use to create that tax return, is very important that you hold on to those, right? Because there are windows of time where the IRS can come back and question, or maybe even the state can come back and question something that's on that tax return, and you need to have full documentation for what you included on that return. Okay, so it varies. I can't give you any specific years because it varies depending on what the document is, but just think in general, I'm going to keep all my tax returns, and then other records such as receipts, bank statements, invoices, stuff like that, you're going to hold on to for a period of time, at least 3 years, likely longer, and then start to purge after a while. But I would say refer to that publication. There's publications on everything at the IRS. Make the IRS website your friend. You can go in there and put in the search bar publication. You can ask a question even, and a publication will come up that will help address that issue. Okay. This is also a good time to remind you that you should be working with a tax professional, and you can ask them those questions as well. All right, bye. I'm Tuesday P. Brooks, the Profitability Advisor for your small business. My mission is for women founders to become more profitable and run their business better. If you have a question for me, place it in the comments below.